You say he doesn't want to get hurt?
I gotta roll my pants up because they're too long.
Look at he's looking at you.
Oh my God, I can't believe you're making me do this.
Oh my gosh. You get dizzy.
Oh my God, it's been so long since don't take that. Stay away from the edges.
And you're going to get up on the Mackinac Bridge?
I don't have to be on a trampoline to get up on that thing. I don't have to wiggle.
Stay away from the edges, Caleb.
Stay away from the edges. Gotta get a Jason
behind him, my boat's higher.
Oh, he's jumping.
Look how high he's going.
I know.
He's a little monkey. Okay, Caleb.
Huh? Stay away from the edges. Come close to the middle with me.
So don't go falling off.
Oh, shoot. I can't even get my feet off the friggin' thing. Because I don't want